Hey everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am so excited to be back in Seabrook Village, a part of the Seabrook collection. And I am back again with Catherine of Toll Brothers, and she is going to show us a ready now home. So you can be in Nocatee today.
Yes.
So thanks for having us in Seabrook Village.
Thank you so much for coming, Heather, and we're so proud to show you our Petunia Craftsman.
I love that we're here on a corner lot. My home in Nocatee also is a corner lot. I love a corner lot because I can say hello to my neighbors around me. A lot of people are moving here and asking about that sense of community. And I think living here in Seabrook Village and having, for example, this lot, you can say hello to your neighbors, feel that sense of community, and I'm excited for your future buyer to be watching this video and find out why they should buy this floor plan.
Absolutely, and we're also close to the new Seabrook Amenity Center too, so you're just around the corner from there as well on this at this home. And here as you walk in, you see outside are pavers that are included features with Toll Brothers in the front and the back of the home. And as you're walking into our beautiful foyer, we have 10-foot ceilings, and here we have 2 bedrooms and the secondary bath. And in addition to that secondary bath, this home also has a powder bath, which we will see in a minute.
I'm glad you said that, Catherine. So as you see this full bath, guess what, guys? That is just for you, your family, and or guests spending the night, because this home does have its own powder bath for when you're just entertaining your friends for a nice fellowship, some great dinner.
Exactly.
Look at the high ceilings also. I
Yes.
want to bring that up one more time because, I mean, how high are these in this beautiful foyer?
So Toll Brothers has 10 foot on our first floors, and this is a 1-story home. In the foyer here, we actually have a 12-foot ceiling, plus we have the tray to give beautiful architectural depth to our homes.
I noticed that. And then what Carling just panned, that's going to be your drop zone. So you're coming off the 2-car garage.
Correct.
And they left it open because they want you to visualize and build what you need for your life stage. So if you are moving here with kids, you could do a great drop zone with built-ins, or you could do a beautiful piece of furniture, which we've seen a lot in homes.
Yes. And here on your right, as you see, our beautiful office with the glass doors, which is also multifunctional too, if you wanted to make this an exercise room or put a pull-out sofa in addition to those other 2 bedrooms for guests, or just use it as an office space.
Absolutely. So this is an endless flex space, but I love the glass doors and that you can close it off. And so let's pan to the right, Carling, as you come in, because that's that powder bath, that half bath. So again, when you're just having guests visit just for the day, that's what they use, which I love. And then now you're walking into the primary bedroom. Catherine, love the tray ceilings, love the space.
Yes. Also tray ceiling in the primary bath, as well as the bathroom. The primary bath to the left with the shower.
Love
and
this.
The beautiful brass gold accent.
Yeah, tile to the ceiling, which is great. And that's another thing. This particular quick move-in, it's a quick move-in, but it has a lot of upgrades. And that's what you're going to see carried throughout the home. Love, though, the brass fixtures. Love the colors that you've chosen. I love the flooring also. So it's a light tile and also a light carpet.
Yes.
But it's beautiful and very soft, everyone. And notice the flooring when Carling comes back into the main living space. This is engineered wood.
Yes, engineered hardwood.
So another upgrade. Beautiful as you come in. And then now what is Carling getting? The laundry room. Catherine, look at the upgrades Toll did.
Yes, beautiful cabinets across the laundry room as well as the sink. And all you have to do is add your washer and dryer.
Thank you for putting a sink in there. I mean, how many times I'm like trying to wash, my hand wash some clothes. I love that you have that. But if you have little ones, great that you can wash athletic wear. It's just terrific. Now this open floor plan really is going to knock your socks off. Look at the natural light coming in. You have a sitting area, but you love that the dining is going into the family room. And as Carling pans around, okay guys, here we go. Wait till you see this gourmet kitchen. Catherine, I know this is all you, buddy. This is you.
Here we have our stack cabinets, one of our designer collections, and with a lot of storage space, as well as this flex area right here that could work for many ways for young families or possibly even grandparents who have grandchildren coming, or a house with a lot of dogs and they need to throw down dog beds. I've heard a lot of different ideas from potential buyers about what they could do with this very open space here.
I love this, and it really is endless what you can do. And Carling, can we walk through the kitchen? Because really showing those upgraded cabinets again to the ceiling, the stack cabinets, soft close cabinets too, by the way, soft close drawers. But every inch of this kitchen is being used. Catherine, let's open up even this corner over here.
Sure,
Just showing, I just love, again, the space, because Toll Brothers did not have to use all this space. And even down here at the bottom, go ahead and open that, Catherine. You've got the Lazy Susan, which I love on both the top and the bottom. And in each of these cabinets, they do have a pull-out rolling drawer. So just again, just showing so many upgrades and a quick move-in. So I want to remind you, great value too. We're not going to talk the price right now because I want you to call Catherine. But when you see how much this beautiful home in Seabrook Village is, it's going to sell like that.
I think so too.
And then also looking outside, look again, the natural light coming in. And Catherine, is this is a collapsible 3-tier?
Yes, it is. This is a triple slider.
Yes.
So just to show you how easy it is to open.
Yeah,
and
let's
this,
just do one, but it's going to go a whole
And this would
one.
collapse to just one. And outside here, you see our pavers under our covered lanai. We have the privacy wall and an outdoor kitchen prep kit with gas and water and an outlet, so you can set up your beautiful outdoor kitchen in this very private yard here.
And I love that they went ahead and put that vinyl fence, so that's going to be away from your neighbors, so you have complete privacy. You could choose to put in a fence on the left and the right should you have an animal, let's say, and you want your dog to run around or small kids, or you can leave it open, and a lot of people have put beautiful shrubbery around. Again, I want to note the landscaping on the front of the house as you rewatch this video, the beautiful upgrades that you're going to find. I want to remind you, we are in walking distance to Seabrook Park. Seabrook Park can be found on Nocatee.com by watching one of the Walkthrough Wednesday videos, but it's a recreation site, and it's got a 7,000 square foot pool, sun shelves, kids playground, dog park, all within walking distance to this beautiful quick move-in. Buy it today. Catherine of Toll Brothers here in Seabrook Village. I know it's going to sell tomorrow.
Yes, I am here to answer any of your questions, and I look forward to hearing from you.
All right, thanks for watching.
All right,
Bye,
have a great
guys.
day.